The time has come for artists at DGS to share their creations with the rest of the student body. Just last night, countless pieces of student art were on display in the C hallway extension on the first floor. We got to see some, frankly, beautiful art from the students, but what was the preparation process like? Sophomore Eiley Flannery and jewelry and metalworks teacher Mrs. Janet Taylor have that answer. Joining us first is Eiley Flannery. Eiley is a sophomore currently enrolled in ceramics here at DGS. She has 5 pieces in this art show and is looking forward to showing off her creations to anyone who might want to see. Eiley, can you tell us a little bit about what the emotions and process have been like, as well as preparations leading up to the art show?
A lot of preparation has gone through all semester. There were 2 art shows before this that we also had to put work into. Throughout the semester, we worked on 2 different projects. And we started a third at the end, but the pieces have not been done yet.
Our next guest is Mrs. Janet Taylor, and I guess the entire DGS art department. Mrs. Taylor teaches jewelry and metalworks here at South, a class which I'm sure many students here don't even know that we offer. Mrs. Taylor, we've already got the student perspective on preparation for the art show, but I think you could have some valuable insight as well. Could you share a little bit about what it's been like to kind of organize and prepare for this art show?
Sure. Well, it's my first year here at DGS, so I feel like this one is a little bit unique. We have a lot of amazing display opportunities. The amount of prep for this is crazy, right? The chaos ensues. So our students have been working all semester, right, on all of their artwork. And then towards the end, they curate pieces. We label everything. So it's a lot of work. We've been here, I don't know, how many days, guys? 5 days working, all week working for one amazing night and a couple days.
If you happen to miss last night's art show, that's all right. You can check out some gorgeous pieces that will be displayed in the first floor C hallway extension year-round. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Sebastian Blanco.